sir. Respect means treating others with dignity, regard, regardless of their rank or status in the army. It also means following orders, listening actively, and maintaining discipline at all times. I want to join the army faction to serve with discipline, protect the state, and engage in structured RP with a strong chain of command. I enjoy teamwork and want to contribute to keeping order in one state. Higher rank should be addressed with respect using sir, ma'am, or their proper rank. Civilians should be tre- treated politely and professionally unless disposed a threat or break military rules. I can be active in CERT. Uh, I'm available like 2 to 2 to 3 hours daily or weekends only. AFK stands for away from keyboard, meaning the player is not actively controlling their character. No, absolutely not. That will be considered fail RP and is not allowed. All action must be based on valid RP scenarios. Usually, three warnings lead to a reprimand, but I understand that any serious violation can be escalated depending on the situation. No, sir. I cannot leave the military base without permission from a higher ranking officer or unless I am assigned to a mission or duty outside. No, no, sir. Military vehicles are strictly for official duties only. Using them for personal reason is against the rules. Yes, I fully agree. I understand that following the chain of command is critical to army discipline and RP realism.